I'm going to be doing beetroot juice today because, yeah, it's a long time I don't do it. So why not don't do it something fantastic and amazing today, all right? Granny, thank you so much, right? Great and Rise and Chef Ricardo. I need a tea for my blood pressure. All right, this one I make for you even good for your blood pressure. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is good for you. All right, yeah man. Beetroot juice is another one you should be drinking. All right, yeah. Look what I'm going to be doing because this is a recipe here for you also. Yeah, we got 2 beetroot. Put this into yeah. This is a recipe, a year recipe. There's a lot. There's a lot of recipe on my YouTube channel about high blood pressure. I did that for 9 months. All right, 9 months worth of high blood pressure, and I was preaching it for a long time to tell my audience them this is what you need to drink because it will help you, you know. Brown, big up yourself. Thank you so much for being a part of the show. All right, so this one very good for high blood pressure, guys. All right, yeah. What we're going to do, we're going to get some beetroot, 1 medium size beetroot into the blender. Like this. All right, we're going to get some fresh ginger. Yeah, man. Fresh ginger. Fresh ginger. All right. And we got lemon and orange. Lime, you can use lime, sorry guys. Lime and orange. Yeah. Using some lime and orange, all right? See there? We just leave the skin on it. So with the orange, what we're going to do, we're just going to simply just take time and remove off. We're going to leave the white bit and the orange. You don't want to remove too much of the white bit off of the orange. Make sure you wash it good. Right, very beautiful drink to drink right now. Yeah, so this is how you want to do it. You want to not to take off too much of the white because the white have a lot of vitamin inside of it. Long time I don't do beetroot, and I went to the supermarket and I was looking for beetroot. And I said, yeah. So we're going to put orange inside of it. Just like this. Remove the seeds. All right. See? Just like that. We should have at least 500 people watching them kind of video, but people are not interested in that stuff, yeah. People that don't want to see nothing about healthy lifestyle. Yeah, cook something healthy. There's a few little people really interested in the healthy lifestyle thing. You know what I mean? But I saw it got one of them things there. Now we're gonna put some coconut water inside of it. Excellent. Coconut water is amazing. All right. And what we're gonna do, cover it up. Here it is. Beetroot juice, orange, ginger, lime, coconut water. I forgot. Yeah, we have it still, guys. All right, it is available on Amazon. Just go over and get it. All right. So subscribe to the channel and do not miss none of my videos because they are very important, come with a lot of benefit and a lot of health. All right. Now let's blend up this and see how this works. Excellent. Oh yes, look at that. Lovely. That is beautiful. All right. Get your strainer, pour it out like this. Take your time. This is really good, but it's going to be really heavy. All right. So if you want to strain it, strain it. All right. But you can also drink it as it is, but it's going to be really heavy. 5% of this is right here, so. Lots of ginger, orange, and all them things there. You know, very effective. A bit of the froth, you know. Yeah. Lovely. Look at that. That is what I'm talking about. Excellent. All right. Yeah, man. Now we're gonna pour it out. As you guys can see how it look in the glass. Here it is. Drink this 3 times a week, 2 times a day, 1 time a day, whatever you want to drink. All right. Sometimes I don't throw it away. Sometimes I keep it and I use it, dry them and use them into smoothie. But if I don't have any use for it, I just throw it away. But if you want to keep it, you can keep it and use it for whatever you like to use it for at home. All right. The use of the trash is the best for cake. Definitely. 100%. But I got ginger. Oh yes, you still could use it. Yeah, could use it and make a cake. Definitely. Right. 100% right.